The ability to know when and how to prioritize is a crucial skill for every online learner. Our daily, weekly, or even monthly task lists include the assignments for our online courses, but inevitably they also contain things we need to do for our lives outside the classrooms, such as doing laundry, buying more milk, or picking up a library book. It might seem simple, but it is not uncommon for people to go through their task list without a clear understanding of what the priorities should be. This is not effective time management because sometimes unimportant tasks are completed first, simply because they randomly fell towards the top of the to-do list. A more efficient way to handle tasks is to have a clear understanding of your priorities. A tool such as a priority matrix is helpful when determining priorities. First, you start with a list of tasks that need to be completed for the day, such as this to-do list that you see on the screen. This to-do list will then be put into a priority matrix, which I am opening up here. So as you can see, this priority matrix has 4 quadrants. So for instance, quadrant 1 is reserved for tasks that are urgent and important. Quadrant 2 is reserved for tasks that are not urgent but important. And quadrant 3 is reserved for urgent tasks but not important tasks. Quadrant 4 for not urgent and not important tasks. It is very important to note that determining where tasks should go sometimes isn't very clear-cut. It is essentially a personal value judgment that you make according to your understanding of the nuances of certain tasks. So for example, in my list I had the example of picking up a library book. Is it a book for a book club or for a class? My list doesn't say. So when determining priorities, it's important to consider the nuances and weigh your understanding of the pros and cons of prioritizing some tasks over others. I have completed a priority matrix template, and you can see that my tasks that were once in the list have been organized into priority levels or quadrants. Remember, with this assignment there is no absolute right or wrong answer. We are checking that you understand the assignment and that you appreciate the importance of prioritizing, and how being able to prioritize efficiently will help you during your online courses.